Are you looking for the latest and greatest gadgets that will take your tech game to the next level? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the 13 coolest gadgets that are at another level. Let's get started. Number 13. Wireless charging station plus UV sanitizer. It's no surprise that our mobile phones are the ideal breeding ground for germs, which is why it's vital to keep them germ-free. This wireless charger has a one-of-a-kind design. Just slide your smartphone in and let it do the rest. Not only does it charge your phone, but it also utilizes UV light to sanitize it in only 20 minutes. Take a break from your screen and get this awesome charger. Your phone and you will thank you. Take a break from all the social media hustle and bustle and recharge your phone. What an adventure! It'll take 3 hours to get it back to full power, so grab a snack and enjoy some much-needed relaxation. Time-Chi Productivity Tool. No more getting distracted at work by annoying coworkers, family problems, or social media. This nifty device will help you stay focused in no time with a simple gesture. Just start a countdown clock for the task you're completing and let the big numbers and flashy animations do the talking, letting everyone know you mean business. And if that wasn't enough, it'll automatically block those pesky notifications and social media sites that haunt us all. It may sound tough, but trust us, it's all for your own good. This device's app will save the day. It collects your work stats and analyzes your endeavors so you can get the most out of your productivity. But hey, it's not like you'd be slacking off at work, right? Number 11. NextMind. Ready to take your remote control skills to the next level? NextMind is the gadget that'll take your tech game up a notch. It reads your brain signals when you focus on pictures like play and pause icons and transmits commands accordingly. It's neat, lightweight, and easy to wear, so there's no need to worry about it hindering your comfort. Plus, you'll need a slightly different interface for your TV or other devices for perfect compatibility. Now, isn't that something to get excited about? This one here is an example that does the job, though it ain't no biggie. It gets the job done. Number 10. The Clever-Made Parcel Lock Box. Voila! Here's the answer to those pesky missing parcels. This massive white box looks unassuming, but don't be fooled, it packs a punch. You'll need a code to get in, and when you do, the top will lift up. No more stress about getting your packages, you can receive them whenever it suits you. As for returns, don't worry, the anchors guarantee maximum security and ultimate heaviness, making it impossible for anyone to lift it. Let them try if they dare. This box is capacious enough to accommodate numerous parcels, a straightforward yet stylish solution. Number 9. Naki. Wouldn't be life much simpler if the surfaces around us were smart and responsive? Here's Naki, a gadget that can turn any table, wall, or nightstand into a smart home gadget. Secure Naki whenever you like and arrange a specific order. Switching on the lights or snoozing your alarm is just a tap away. Naki uses Wi-Fi to talk to your smart home devices from Nest, Samsung, Philips, and other well-known brands. This innovative patented technology ensures your device won't be switched on accidentally. Number 8. Smart Terra. Introducing Smart Terra, the ultimate terrarium that brings the natural world to you. Water your plants with a few taps of the app and watch it rain with realistic lighting and thunder sound effects. There's no need to go out into nature. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ambient soundscapes and lighting inside your own little world. So make it rain right in your living room. You can easily sync up your Bluetooth device and blast your own music. Watering your garden is just as easy. What will you plant? Tropical plants? Flowers? Create your own little paradise. The choice is yours. Number 7. Candly Ambient Lamp. Gone are the days when you had to use traditional candles to create a cozy and warm atmosphere. Here to save the day is the ambient light that brings a touch of homeliness while incorporating cutting-edge technology. Not only is the bulb inside energy efficient, but it also offers up to 15 days of use on one charge. Plus, it syncs with your tunes and adds some mesmerizing light effects to the mix. You can also dim the brightness at will, making it the perfect pick for a variety of situations. Number 6. Mower 2.0. Get ready for a revolutionary design that'll blow your mind. This must-have piece isn't just any old gadget, it's something you won't believe until you see it. It's a trimming device that is the most compact and unique in the world. It is made of anodized aluminum and has soft end caps that you press to turn it on. It has a rounded shape to make it more comfortable to use on your face than traditional trimmers. This trimmer is the epitome of manly. The matte black finish is sleek and sophisticated. You can use it on the go, no mirror needed. This is my top pick in this review. Number 5. Transformer Table 3.0. This table is like nothing you've ever seen before. Forget computers and electronics, its unique construction and solid design make it truly remarkable. It's like a transformer that can be turned into a single 18-inch console or stretched out to seat up to 12 people at a dinner party. And the best part? It effortlessly transitions between both, courtesy of a smooth magnetic mechanism for maximum durability. Don't you hate it when you need to buy a bunch of different tables? Who needs that hassle when you could just have one table that can accommodate up to 12 guests with ease? Talk about a bang for your buck! This table has a magnetic mechanism inside for a smooth transition and can handle up to 750 pounds. Plus, you get to choose from different types of wood, including Siberian birch or Canadian dark oak, both water and heat resistant. So why settle for multiple tables when you can have one that does it all? Number 4. Octavio. It's not necessarily the sound quality that makes your ancient audio system feel outdated. It's all about connectivity. We want to use all the services and streaming platforms that are available right now with the speakers we already have. That's precisely what Octavio is intended for. This nifty device links to any audio system or set of speakers to make them intelligent. Thanks to the dedicated mobile app, you can stream your favorite tunes from your smartphone via AirPlay, Bluetooth, or Spotify Connect. With the ability to set up multiple devices in various rooms, you can now jam out to your favorite tunes from the comfort of your own home. No need to switch speakers. Even your old speakers can compete with their new ones if all the controls are easy to reach from far away. Number 3. All-in-one Smart Tool. Introducing the ultimate measuring device. It's the absolute smartest tool you could ever dream of, and it'll measure any item you need in a cinch. Plus, it stores all the data on your phone via its mobile app, so you can easily share the results if you need to. No matter how complex the shape of your space may be, this device is up to the challenge. It can capture objects with elevation changes, draw 3D objects, capture irregular curves, and capture all angles with ease. Number 2. Robot Biddle. Who said that education had to be boring? Well, the innovators of this robotic pup are here to prove them wrong with their 3D puzzle. With just 1 hour of your time, you can assemble it and start having a blast. It's just like a real robot, speedy and agile, and if it falls, it'll manage to get back up on its own. Plus, you can even take it outside for walks. All you need is your smartphone to take control of your robotic pup. How fun! Programming your pup for newfound skills like scaling or deciphering your body language? Now that's the cutting edge of canine coaching. Undoubtedly, it'll be a hit with your furry pals. Number 1. Smart Gym. Say goodbye to the gym. This amazing all-in-one device can fit into even the tiniest of spaces. With 2 adjustable arms, you can perform a whopping 100 exercises that will give you the toned biceps, chest, and legs of your dreams. And that's not all. The digital weight means you can go up to a 200-pound max without having to lift a single plate. The large touchscreen is like having your own personal trainer with expert-guided courses tailored to you. Wowzers, this gadget is seriously advanced. Not only do they have multiple sensors to keep track of your body, but they adjust the difficulty according to your performance. Pretty neat if you ask me. For more details, you can check the links in the description. That's all for today. Goodbye and take care.